Good afternoon, everybody. I'd like to first of all thank Elle for putting together this great program, giving us an opportunity to talk about a very special and sensitive issue. That issue, of course, being that of family. Another thing I'd like to share with you about Elle, and that is her passion for Nancy Schaefer, her passion for the cause. Elle and I had an opportunity to really sit down and talk about the spirit of Nancy Schaefer and what it was she was trying to do. I can talk to you a little bit about Kwame Gyamfi and the fact that I'm running for Congress in the 4th District of Maryland. But you know what? Today is not about Kwame Gyamfi. It's about the spirit of what Nancy Schaefer was all about. Nancy Schaefer, for those of you who don't know, is a state senator who passed away. She sponsored a Senate Bill 415. Senate Bill 415 was really designed to address the issue of the regulatory process that protects children. Unfortunately, that bill didn't pass. But what Elle and I decided to do was to see if we can somehow leverage our political savviness, our experiences, and see what we can do on behalf of Ms. Schaefer. So what we decided to do was to file a writ to the federal court right here in the nation's capital. It's called a writ of mandamus. The caption of the writ is going to be titled Gyamfi versus Sebelius. This writ will be filed in U.S. District Court, and it will be served to the Department of Health and Human Services. Kathleen Sebelius is the Secretary for Health and Human Services, upon which a lot of these state incentives fall up under. So our hope and our prayer is that this petition, that we will nickname the Schaefer Petition, will begin to awaken the consciousness of senior level officials who have the authority to either cut checks or withhold checks from state agencies who are non-compliant based on the law. I am dedicating to my website, kg4congress.org, short for Kwame Gyamfi for Congress.org, a special page in honor of Nancy Schaefer. So when you go there, you'd be able to follow the developments of this petition and the position that the Department of Health and Human Services will take. We await their answer because we want answers. And with that, I conclude. Remember, it doesn't matter your color, your race, your religion, your political affiliation. Family is family, and that's what binds all of us together. We are one. And that is the theme of my campaign. We are one. Thank you for this opportunity to share with you my vision for Nancy Schaefer and Senate Bill 415.